Hello, and a very warm welcome to Sports Lumo Special Olympic Series 50 Greatest Moments for India. I am Siddharth Vishwanathan, Editor-in-Chief of Sports Lumo, and I will be taking you along this marvelous journey of India's 93 glorious years in the Olympics. The journey to the Olympics is a very long and arduous one. It involves plenty of sacrifices. It involves plenty of hardships. One individual knew that when he was about to step into the range in Rio 2016. He was born in Sitalpati, East Nepal. From his youth until he attained teenagehood, he worked in his father's farm, cultivating paddy, potatoes, and corn. But tragedy struck when his father died. He moved to India in 2006. There, he joined the Gurkha regiment and he was promoted to the rank of Naib Subedar. Honed with the discipline of the army, he had a penchant for shooting. In Lucknow, his talent was spotted. He was good in shooting. He wanted to make a career in shooting. But he also had mixed fortunes. In one particular instance, when he was shooting in Mau, the people present there said, "You're not good enough. Give up the sport." But honed by his army discipline and never give up attitude that the Indian Army fostered, this individual slowly made recovery after recovery after recovery. At the end of the day, he went on to become one of India's best shooters in the first 2 decades of the 21st century. But it took the elements of nature to deny him what could have been a glorious medal and a worthy reward for all the years of hardship. This is the heartbreaking story of Jeetu Rai and his 2016 Rio Olympics near miss. From that disappointment in Mau, Jeetu Rai kept clawing back. He made good progress in domestic tournaments, in national events. All that built up to the crescendo of 2014 in the ISSF World Shooting Championships. Great performances in Munich and Maribor meant that Jeetu Rai had announced himself in the world. 1 gold, 2 silver medals. He had already sealed his participation in the 2016 Rio Olympics. The silver in the 51st World Shooting Championships meant that Jeetu Rai was a worthy contender for a medal. He was ranked number 3 in the world. He was in great form. He was in great momentum. 2016 Rio Olympics had already seen the heartbreak of Avinav Bindra, as he just missed out on a medal by a whisker. Jeetu Rai was determined to dream big, and finally he got the chance. But you have to remember, folks, shooting is a game that is determined by skill, by machine, and by natural elements. Jeetu Rai might never have seen the film Gone with the Wind, but here he was going to get a brutal and dark taste of what it was, as an element of nature resulted in a massive disappointment for Jeetu Rai and his quest for an Olympic medal. Jeetu Rai was a Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, World Cup gold medalist. He was a silver medalist at the World Championships. Now he had only one aim in mind, and that was gold in the Olympics. You have to remember, folks, 10-meter air pistol is a very finicky thing. Machine, human skill, concentration, and even 1% of natural elements plays a vital role in getting that perfect shot. When Jeetu Rai was taking his shots, he was bothered. Why? The wind at the range was changing. He was clearly disturbed by the wind. He adopted a tactic. He decided to wait for the wind to subside slightly. But what Jeetu Rai did not know was that it ate up into his precious time. He had to make 15 shots, but only 10 minutes remained on the clock. By the end of the fourth series, Jeetu Rai was fourth. He had a chance of a medal. 554 he aggregated. The minimum qualification for the final medal series was 91. But the wind and time pressure was clearly playing a havoc with Jeetu Rai. His last three shots were 9, 7 and 10. Earlier, he had shot 3 10s, the bullseye that is. But his final tally was 88. Missed out on the medal by just 3 points. Jeetu Rai was inconsolable. His shooting coach was there trying to comfort him, but he had realized that it was too late. 2016 Rio was heartbreaking in many ways, folks. And Jeetu Rai was just a continuation of the heartbreak that the archery team, Abhinav Bindra and PV Sindhu experienced, as well as Vinesh Phogat. Jeetu Rai admitted that yes, I had no experience. 3 simple words termed up the anguish of India and Jeetu Rai. Sapna toot gaya. The dream was broken. That summed up the raw emotion that Jeetu Rai felt when the medal went away. It was a very tragic end for Jeetu Rai and his Olympic quest. But it does not diminish the value that Jeetu Rai gave to shooting at a time when Abhinav Bindra had already given a revolution in the sport in India thanks to his 2008 Beijing gold. Thank you so much for watching this special episode of 50 Greatest Moments for India in the Olympics. I will be back with more interesting anecdotes, more interesting features as we build up to the games. In the upcoming episodes, I will talk about individual brilliance. I will talk about a miracle that was extinguished in the most remarkable way. Press the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, like, comment and share, folks. The Olympics is upon us. Thank you.